This is Fatal Knight 98. Yeah. If you saw my first video, I hope you liked it and subscribed. If you see this one, please subscribe. Like, I can't really start unless I have some subscribers, get that jump start going. I'm a kid, I am 11, so like if any of you have an idea of what you want me to play, I might not be able to play it like the next day or instantly. I might not even ever be able to play it, because I have to ask my mom and all that. So yeah, see ya, peace.